Another important thing to look out for and to listen for are noises and distractions. So make sure you're listening if car engines are coming, if there's sirens, like police sirens or fire sirens, or if you hear honks or loud screeches. You got to make sure you're listening to these noises and paying attention to what's around you. When walking, be sure to avoid distractions. Put down the cell phone. No texting, no talking while you're walking because you have to pay attention. Also, make sure you're not listening to music because listening is really important to hear if car sirens or cars are coming. Walking is a great way to get to and from places. Just make sure you're doing all you can to keep yourself safe.